Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in into your Eventbrite account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference. So once you open it, simply type in the URL www.eventbrite.com. Once you do this, hit the enter button and you will end up in the official website of Eventbrite. So now as you want to log in into your account, you can find a login button right over there. So simply tap on that option, and once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to type in your email address and hit the continue button. After doing this, you can go in the password section and type in your password to get access of your account. However, you can also use methods like by signing in with Apple ID, your Gmail, or with the help of Facebook. So, by these methods, you can simply get signed in or logged in into your Eventbrite account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.